Good afternoon, and welcome to our presentation. My name is Gennady Matzik, and today I will be presenting Group 5's virtual group collage. Teamwork makes the dream work. This virtual group project embodies this slogan. 5 complete strangers come together as a team with one goal in mind: to create an educational presentation. Teamwork. A team is a work group that must rely on collaboration if each member or employee is to experience the optimum success and achievement. Teamwork can develop with an understanding and commitment to group goals on the part of all team members. Ways to develop teamwork. 1. Build trust to inspire teamwork. Trust is a fundamental key to any team. It provides a feeling of security. Trust can allow colleagues to feel safe with one another, feel able to open up, take appropriate risks, and uncover vulnerabilities. 2. Create a high-performing team. Coaching team members and group members toward higher levels of performance, even to the point of being a highly performing transformational team, one that brings about major constructive changes. 3. Facilitating and supporting team decisions. In a healthy work environment, the most successful teams are the ones that have learned how to move past and work through issues and make important decisions together. 4. Expanding the team's capabilities. If an assessment of a team's capabilities has uncovered areas of weakness, as a group, you can work with colleagues to build up aptitudes. 5. Creating a team identity. Creating team identity assists employees and team members to set new priorities, renew commitments to team goals, update employees and team members' responsibilities, and facilitate the reorganization of projects. Ways to develop teamwork. We'll continue with 6. Anticipating and influencing change. Change within the workplace can help create a sense of enthusiasm towards accomplishing goals. 7. Inspiring the team toward higher levels of performance. Encourage them. Provide a healthy work environment. Provide developmental opportunities. Provide positive feedback. And always remember to reward and praise a job well done. Number 8. Enable and empower. Providing people with generous boundaries, believe in them, grow paths, encouragement, trust, time, and praise their efforts can facilitate teamwork and project completion. Number 9. Encouragement to eliminate low-value work. Schedule team meetings. Discuss methods of creating high-quality work content. Just an hour of collaboration can make a difference. So pick a few moments and utilize them. All team members can be team leaders. Leadership is a shared responsibility. Nick Petrie once said, "Leadership is a collective process that is spread throughout networks of people. Sharing leadership amongst the team improves performance, assists in the simulation of decision-making, and raises job satisfaction levels." Coaching teammates. Having great coaching skills and techniques is valuable when you're a leader. Ample communication and teamwork makes a substantial difference in a group's ability to be successful. It's important to maintain a positive outlook and keep the lines of communication open. Define issues and communicate clear expectations. It's crucial that when issues arise, everyone is aware of what is going on. Everybody is on the same page, and understanding their role in the plan to fix the issues and what the expectations are. Build relationships. Trust and communication are major keys to success. Having a positive relationship helps us communicate and interact with one another. Giving feedback on areas that require specific improvements. Receiving feedback is the best way to grow. Consider approach. Don't be mean or condescending when pointing out the areas that need improvement, and remember to add positives into the conversation. Listen actively. When coaching, it's important to listen to others, not only in a verbal capacity, but also their nonverbal actions. Don't forget to ask questions, to engage in positive conversation, and to bring out new ideas. Help remove obstacles. To be a good leader, one must know when to intervene and assist, and when to let others find a solution on their own. Reflect content or meaning. When someone approaches with an issue, reward the issue to prove that as a leader, you understand what they are saying and listening to them. Give some gentle advice and guidance. A positive way to give advice or guidance is in a form of a question. What do you think if we tried this? Allow for modeling of desired performance and behavior. As a group leader, it's important to lead by example. Act and behave the same way you expect others to. Many leaders, unfortunately, do not practice what they preach. If you talk the talk, make sure you walk the walk. The team is always watching. Gain a commitment to change. It's important to get everyone on board when providing a solution to an issue. Applaud good results. Remember to acknowledge good results to encourage continued success. Give emotional support and empathy. Successful leadership must provide constructive feedback and be helpful. Be positive. Don't be negative. Linchpins are valuable to the team. Every company has one, and most likely you know one. So what is a linchpin? In the words of Seth Godin's linchpin, a linchpin is a business theory that basically states, if you become an indispensable member of the organization that you work for, i.e. a linchpin, you are an irreplaceable member of the team. So what do linchpins do within a business organization? Linchpins serve numerous purposes and have extensive workplace knowledge. Linchpins do not ask, who's my neighbor? Instead, they solve the problems and take responsibilities as and with the team instead of asking who can solve it. Linchpins choose to be engaged in finding solutions rather than being critical of what is broken. So are you a linchpin? And how can you become a linchpin? Do you have a, this might not work, but I want to do it mentality? Do you realize that value is created by people who do something that other people cannot do? This is one of the reasons teamwork is important. Can you identify 30 or more peers who are at or near your level? Celebrate their best work, connect with them, and start associating and working together. Do you? Can you or do you assess the organizational politics and system dynamics as you walk into chaos? With this chaos, can you create order, invent, connect, create, and make things happen? Do you drive and promote change? Try to make minor impacts at first? If you make enough minor impacts, you can surely amount to some major results. Thank you for watching this presentation, and we wish you much success as a future leader. Thank you very much to the contributors, Ashley, Jules, Karina, Christina, and myself. Job well done, team.